Guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. First of all, we are trading on one of the best platforms for the binary options market. This is Pocket Option. Secondly, now I'm setting the chart right now. Just give me several seconds. I'm choosing the indicators. So the first one will be Super Trend together with Zigzag. And let's add two moving averages. Yep, this will be fine. Now let me set each indicator. Concerning the zigzag, let's put the color brown. Concerning the period, everything is fine. Let's save it. Now let's proceed with the moving average. Concerning the period, first let's change the style. It will be red. Period is fine. Now let's set the second moving average. Let's change the period to 5 and let's change the color. Okay, fine, we can save it. So now we're done and let's proceed to the trading activity. First, let's change our investment to $65 and let's open the first, I guess it will be sell position. Let's find the best entry point and it's almost done. Okay, no, not done. Now, yeah. So we did it. We have opened the first sell position for today. Why did we do this? Firstly, according to the super trend, we're now in the sell zone, in the strong sell zone. We're under the pressure from the sellers. Secondly, we're moving in the descending channel, and as you can see, we have right now touched the upper edge of the descending channel. Afterwards, we started receiving the pullback reaction immediately. That's why I have opened sell position here. And as you can see, our entry point is really nice because we're absolutely safe. We started receiving the pullback reaction immediately after we have opened this sell position. So that's it. Now let's just wait and see what will we get from this trade. Moreover, according to the zigzag indicator, we're also in the sell zone. Even if we had a short-term upgoing correction, anyway, we're in the sell zone. Okay, so we have closed the first trade with profit. We now have around $222 on the account. This is quite a good start for the beginning. Sellers failed to break through the support line zone and we started receiving pullback reaction, which turned into upgoing correction. Now we have changed our investment to $133 and let's try to open sell positions that we have already done. Why? First of all, because once again, as in the previous scenario, we're moving in the descending channel. And now we have touched the upper edge of the descending channel. Afterwards, as you can see, we started receiving the pullback reaction immediately. And I guess that at least we will try to touch the bottom line of this channel once again. And this bottom line is quite near the support line zone. So that's why let's just relax and wait until we see this. I'm almost sure that we will drop right now. And as you can see, price now is trying to show the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle. If we succeed to do this, then we will drop significantly. Okay, my friends, so one more trade is closed with profit and we have around $330 in the account. This is not so big amount in the account, to be honest, but anyway, we are trying to pump our deposit as fuck. So that's why just give me several seconds. I will choose the next currency pair. We will get some more cash, and at the end of today's trading session, I'm sure that we will have a nice amount of money on the deposit. So let's change our investment to $230 and open sell position in the continuation of this sharp, strong downgoing trend. First of all, we did it not only because of the sharp movement, but let's pay attention to the super trend indicator. We're in the strong sell zone. According to the zigzag indicator, we're also in the strong sell zone. And moreover, we are below two moving averages. That gives us additional confirmation that we need to open sell position, and we have already done this. Okay, guys, so this trade is also closed with profit, and we have around $542 in the account. This is quite nice result, to be honest. By the way, my friends, while I'm at trading, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG channel, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day and get your cash daily. This is absolutely free. Don't waste your time. Do this right now and subscribe to my private TG. Link in the description. Okay, my friends, while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position. Why did we do this? As you can see, we were moving in the strong upgoing channel. However, price has touched the strong level of resistance, after which we started receiving pullback reaction, which turned into short-term downgoing correction. Moreover, price was really overbought, and we needed to have a small cool down, which can be a short-term correction, after which we will start growing again. But now we need to drop. So that's why I opened sell position in the continuation of this downgoing correction. We have invested $400 in this trade, and still we have around $142 left on the account. This is our hedge asset. So now let's just wait. I'm almost sure that we will get cash from this trade, because for now everything is quite good. Yep, so I was right. We closed this trade with profit. We have around $910 on the account, and we are ready to proceed further. What can we find interesting here? According to the zigzag, we're in the upgoing channel, but let's draw it. Okay, so now we can clearly see price is now touching the upper edge of the upgoing channel. I'm quite sure that after this we will get the pullback reaction. So that's why let's change our investment to $750 and open buy position, because we still have enough space for the growth until the price hits the upper edge. Yes, by the way, we have a really short time period of around 1 minute. So the price during this time will touch the upper edge, and we will start receiving just the beginning of the pullback reaction. So anyway, we will be in profit. So just several seconds left. For now, everything is going quite well. According to the zigzag, we're in the buy zone. Stupid trend is also telling us the same. Nothing changes. We're even trying to make the new local high. So this looks really good. Okay, guys, so we did it. We closed this trade with profit. We have around $1,600 on the account. This is really good. So, well, we have enough time to open one more trade for today. Okay, so according to the zigzag and stupid trend, we're moving in the strong upgoing trend. Let's change our investment to $1,400 and open buy position in the continuation of this upgoing movement. Because at least two indicators confirm that we're in the upgoing trend. Let's draw the channel. Now I can clearly see that price has already hit the bottom line of the upgoing channel, and now we are highly likely to receive the pullback reaction from this bottom line and start growing once again in the continuation of this upgoing movement. Okay, my friends, so we did it. We closed one more trade with profit, and now we have around $2,900 on the account. So this is result for today. We have turned our around $100 into $2,900 just within 10 minutes. If you want to have the same results like me, it's absolutely possible. All you need is just right now open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. So don't waste your time, do this right now, and I wish you the best, amazing, wonderful, successful, and profitable day. See you all, and bye-bye.